Hey guys, it is beautiful and sunny and warm outside, and I wanted to absorb as much vitamin D as I can before winter starts. I love winter, but I hate to let go of summer. Okay, so I wanted to check and make sure that the connection is good and that you can hear me, because we are outside and there's a lot of background noise. But I know I'm early, so we are going to drink coffee. I made almond milk coffee and it is delicious. I love it. If you haven't tried almond milk, give it a try. I was skeptic about it, but it was good. Okay, let's start with the unboxing. The first two things, you always get these. A Gray's coupon. I've tried Gray snacks. They're really good. They're very innovative and they're tasty. So if that's something, you should go on their website and see if they have any offers. They usually do have some sort of an offer going on their website, and for the first Gray's box, I think, yeah, for the first one at least. So give it a try. They're good. They're good. Okay, the second thing is again HelloFresh. I haven't tried it, but one of my friends recently decided she's going to try it. I'll ask her and let you know. But this is a 50 one. Maybe I should give it a try. Okay, so the other thing is this Moroccan oil, hair oil. Can you see it? Focus! Yeah, there we go. I tried a Moroccan oil hair mask one time and my hair became really brittle and it didn't suit me at all. I don't know how this is going to be any different from the mask. Let's see. I like the smell. There's a slight color to it. Can you see it? There we go. See how it feels. Oh, it feels quite nice. It feels nice and soft. That's a word you can use for oil, right? Soft. It feels nice. I'll try it. I'll put it, I'll let you guys know how it goes. You'll probably see it as first impressions either on IGTV or on my stories. So if you're interested, if you've tried it before, let me know. Okay. Let's see. What's the other thing I have here? I have a nut butter. Again, never tried these, but I am going to try this one. See how this tastes. I'm not a fan of peanut butter. I know a lot of people like it. I just am not a fan. So I don't know how I'm gonna like this. Ooh. It's almond butter. It's supposed to be vanilla flavored. It just tastes like olive oil. I don't know if that's the right kind of taste. I don't like it. I don't like it. Sorry. Nope. Just didn't like it. Nope. Okay. The other thing is Pinchme. Air. Don't mess up. Okay. Pinchme. Ah, the breeze is so nice. I hope you guys can still hear me. Hello. See if I can open it. Oh, there we go. What are these? They're blister cushions. And there are 2 for your ankle above the heel, 2 for your toes, and 1 for your thumb. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Is it focusing? Yes, there we go. So there's instructions, and there they are. I'll open one and see if we can look at it. These are good because my husband plays cricket, so if he gets blisters, I guess. I don't know. I don't get blisters. I don't. So let's see. Last time Pinchme sent me a sample of Nexaid, the Band-Aid, and that didn't work at all. Hey, me too. Okay, this is what it looks like. And I'm guessing you can just put it on your toe. I'm just going to put it here. And there. Like that. Can you see it? It's comfortable and it's sticking, unlike the Nexaid. I think it was Nexaid. The waterproof, transparent Band-Aid. That didn't work at all. At least this is sticking and it's working, I guess. Well, that's what this is. There's a coffee sample. I'll try it on stories maybe sometime this week. And there is this. I am so excited for this spray. It's Aquifer. I've tried their cream and I really liked it. So this is a ointment body spray. Try it out. So small little. I don't know if you guys can see it. It feels good. Feels soft. It's good. It's not greasy at all. And I don't know if you guys can see anything at all. It's not greasy. And I can see a difference even just right now. Yeah, so this is it. Well, I hope you have a good day. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Someone suggested that I should do the unboxing on YouTube. And I'll put up the same video, the vertical video, on YouTube. And so you can see it there. Thank you guys. Bye.